Hello, folks, friends, and professionals. So, another question of the day. This is the 28th question. Choose option. What kind of text sources from Metal Master or Metal Master Record MM in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? So, basically, what it is supposed to discuss. So, what kind of sources, what kind of methods, what kind of, you know, ways to pull the text from material master. Okay, so let's try to check this one. So options: invoice text, sales text, billing text, customer text, purchase text, purchase info record text, text from delivery item category. So in this, probably maybe like one answer might be correct, all might be wrong, all might be wrong. So you have a clue because none of the above is not there. So at least one answer is correct. Try to choose answers carefully. Please comment in the comment box of my this video below. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so just try this. It will try to if you are in job trials, if you are in practice, the impulsiveness is there, right? It will create some interest for learning. Okay, let's give it a try. It's a simple question. I feel that we can give it a try. So what I would say, so currently I would like to tell that one thing, if you'd like to get this kind of knowledge transfer at focus level, please subscribe my channel. That is what I am expecting. Currently I'm holding 5,600 students. Okay, so all these are the different courses. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you really want, you can subscribe it. Definitely, I can make sure that if you have seriousness, these courses 100% it will be helpful. Currently 5,600 students. Okay, so that means if someone is believing that there is something in this, okay, it's 3 years of hard work. You are getting it, affordable rate. You can give it a try. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. So today is little tired. It's a weekend due to little project pressure. I cannot able to talk more. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. I wish you all the best. Focus what you want.